In this video, I want to show you how to remove this LUXPRO thermostat from the wall in case you need to replace the batteries or fix the wiring. So what you want to do to remove this thermostat from the wall is to push a button below here. So there's a button down below here. So what you want to do is to hold it this way and push the button. Okay, now you can remove it this way. So the batteries are right here. In case you want to replace the batteries, you want to take them out. This thermostat uses two AA batteries, so you can remove the batteries this way. Alright, and you can get your new batteries in. Okay, so you can get it back this way and then push it in place. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.